Hello guys, I teach you how to replace the fuel pump. Just remove only this back chair, left and right. See like that. You pull out the other side and pull out. Then you go to back side and the spare tire part. You remove the object, the things of the customer on this 13 bolt. You lose that one. That one is not included. That one only in the center. You get the 13 socket like that. That one. Then you put and lose. The other side, left and right is not included. Only in the center. This one only bolt, only one nut only. You lose like that, like that, like that, like that. Remove. Okay. And you come back in the seat. You push the seatbelt lock. Push and you. Aywa. Yes, you get it. Remove the and the fuel pump cover is there. You pull out, pull out, pull out. Yes, pull out. There's a rubber. You cut the rubber. You cut the rubber. Cut the rubber. Yes. Then cut again and see the socket of the fuel pump. See. Yes, up the lock and push up, 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 push. Yes, remove. Then next, you remove the hose, return hose. Of course, the battery negative. We remove first the battery negative terminal. And if you finish remove, you go back to the fuel tank cap. See, you open and the gasoline is go down and put back because the air going inside, and you proceed to the fuel tank cap, fuel pump cap. Charan, see this one. And of course, you put tissue the so that the gasoline is not scattered in the surroundings inside the car. Then you remove. It's hard, little bit hard, little bit hard. Oh yes, oh yes. Now I remove. Clean. Clean the tissue. Clean with that bed tissue. And put the hose inside to have a space. And this one you make a hammer for the fuel pump lock spacer. Make hammer like that. If you don't have tools, like that only. Push hammer. See, flat screw and hammer. That one only you use, and you can remove the fuel pump lock. And also don't forget the rubber. Don't make Don't make be careful. The rubber is not weight by the gasoline, because it becomes big. And this is the fuel pump assembly. New fuel pump came from the Cherry dealership. See, very nice. It's all protected by the plastic and by styrofoam. See, very beautiful. It's new, 2021 model, Cherry Tiggo 7 Pro. Now we install. We remove the old. Just slowly, only, slowly up, up. Don't make the gasoline scattered. Yes, you put carton. This is the old, and of course after that you clean the surface. Where is the gasket you put? This is the place of the rubber gasket. See? Yes. That one, if you put the rubber, then after that, you put the new fuel pump. Okay, you put in a good place, and the new fuel pump. Okay, you slowly, only, slowly put. Yes, yes. Go inside, go inside, go inside, go inside. Yes, good. Put in the exact way. That one. You see the marker. So you did not mistake. You don't have a mistake. Okay. Now we put the hose returners. The inlet hose, not return. The socket. And then what you call that? Other one. Socket. And the cup. That one only. Push. So hammer only. And the piece is okay. Kalas, finish. Put back in the back. One bolt only. Same process like before. See that one tight. That bolt is only for the chair in the back. Tight only. Yes. Only hand torque.